Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Diane. I have a new storybook today. It is Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Have you ever had the hiccups? I have. It's horrible. It's so hard to get rid of. Let's find out what Pete does. And this is a first reader book. So Nihan, Rosie, Carter, Cooper, Ion, Nihao, all of you that are learning to read, this is a great book for you to read. Let's see what happens to Pete. Hiccup. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do I stop the hiccuping? Pete asked Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stood on one foot. Hiccup? Ugh, Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Callie. You stand on one foot and you hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot and he hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Poor Pete. Pete asked Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Gus. You stand on one foot and you hop up and down and you sing a song. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Ugh, Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, man, said Bob. You stand on one foot and you hop up and down, and you sing a song and you rub your belly, said Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup! Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, said Bob. Pete asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, said Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows out his breath. Is that it? Pete asked. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. Of course they are. We know everything. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this book. Ask for Mom to get it for you or find it at your library. Have a good day. Bye, guys.